picked up Aaron back there.
What's up?
Me and my brother right now, we just got off work. We clocked out like 20 minutes ago. What time is it?
I mean,
4:51. 4:51. Yeah, me and Brian just got off of work. We're heading to Bryan Head, Utah to snowboard. We ain't got no sleep, but it's all good. We're just waiting on little B and Chris to come. And then, yeah, we about to go shred, my boys.
We get snow rabies.
What the? Snow rabies? Aaron's first time snowboarding.
Yes, sir.
Aaron's first time snowboarding. I've been 3 times. But Brian used to skate. Aaron a little bit. But I feel like Brian is going to catch on pretty quick.
Yeah, I got it in the bag, bro.
When I first jumped on the snowboard, I thought I was going to pick it up same day. It took me a whole day to actually get it down and learning the basics and shit.
Toes and heels, baby.
Yeah, it's all in the heel and toes. What up? What up?
Utah, baby.
Utah
2021. And let me see the board. Sheesh, bueno.
Hey, don't chip
Oh
it.
shit, dude. Those are steezy, dude. These are nice. Cool, kid.
The binding?
Yeah, dude. I fucks with them. What is it? Season Pro? Oh, you're a Season Pro over here, dog? Okay. Yeah. Grab my ass so I won't fall down. Everything's in there.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.
We literally just got out of work 30 minutes ago, bro. We about to go to Bryan, Utah. This fool ready with the vlogs and shit.
We're going to Behead, Utah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat some snow, dude.
Tell me, what happened for your birthday, bro? What happened that night?
Ooh, dog.
I think you might need to call room service real quick. Can I get a McDouble?
I saw a video Alex posted on Twitter.
Was it the one that? Yeah.
Naruto, bro.
You puked up like frijoles,
I
dude.
cleaned that shit up that morning too. I don't know what the fuck was I drinking.
Yeah, I have a video. It's like, damn, what'd you have to eat? You said Jack and Coke. I was like, yeah.
Dude, I don't even know, dude. That was wild.
Alright, everyone, can I get a yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, skis.
Yeah, Mexican. Niggas, a Mexican. And then that's another Mexican. What the fuck? And y'all going skiing? You know we don't like ice. What the fuck you doing? You fuck with the ice? Oh, what the fuck? Y'all got the ski sleds up there too. I roll with y'all. I follow y'all in this shit. My car right there. Y'all have fun. Y'all be safe.
Yes, sir.
And don't y'all leave each other.
Oh,
Hoes
yeah.
before hoes. Y'all may see some big booty hoes. If the bros can't fuck her, y'all can't fuck her. If he can't watch, leave this shit alone. Yeah. You know, bitches will set you up. And I don't say that form of disrespect. But y'all have fun.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hey, yeah, 6 o'clock right now. You been smoking weed? Y'all smoke marijuana?
No. No.
Y'all don't do drugs?
No.
Just heroin.
Yeah.
You went all the way. You
went all
say
the-
ma'am.
Stick all over.
He skipped all over that shit.
Yes, sir.
You hanging out? You must got some wealthy parents, huh? You hanging out with these white boys and Mexicans? Look like they got money. You don't come from the hood.
For sure,
What you
exactly.
smoking on?
Puff mark.
What's that? You smoke weed?
Nah. It's an electronic vape.
What's that? Tobacco?
Yeah, pretty.
And where your big old ass gonna sit at? So,
Middle, bro.
so you sitting bitch.
Sitting bitch.
You sitting bitch. No form of disrespect. You sitting bitch, dog. So your nuts is all squished up. I know y'all all right.
All right, for sure, man.
Your eyebrows,
What about them?
they dope as fuck.
Thank you.
I wish I had some eyebrows. Y'all take care of each other.
All right, man. Have a good rest of your day.
Before hoes.
Bros before hoes.
Bros before hoes. If the homie, it ain't no fun if the homie can't have none. So if you get a big booty bitch, you make sure that you share it with your homies.
Yeah,
And
yes, sir.
we sell condoms in there as well. Because he was in there itching. He was in there itching. Am I lying? Am I lying?
Yeah, no.
Did I call him out on it?
You're not lying.
But did I say why you itching? It's a clinic right here. Right here. It's a clinic right there, brother. Either you got something or you just didn't wash your nuts well enough. You gotta get up under there in the crevice and wash your nuts.
Crevice.
Y'all have a good one, brothers.
All right, man.
All right, brother.
Stay safe.
All right, you be safe.
Yo, that guy is a character.
What a great way to start off the trip, bro. Like,
Hey, shut up. You sitting, bitch.
Ready to slow down before you came round. I was heading for a small disaster before you came round. I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out.
Little big.
what's up? We out here, motherfuckers.
What's up, Chris?
100 day.
Getting some heavy snow right now, bro.
It's cold as fuck.
Hell yeah, boy. We in the fucking snow, dog. We out here for the shred.
My nose running. Black people say if you in the snow, it's a wrap. Put the freeze to death. Balls are shivering. It's not good.
Brian heads, look, dude, the amount of snow that's falling right now is fucking dope.
Yeah.
All right, Brian, as a previous skater, do you think you're gonna catch on to this?
I think I'll catch on to it pretty quick, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I got it.
What about you, Aaron?
It's finna be easy peasy.
Easy peasy. All right, we'll see about
Like
that. I feel like Aaron's gonna be eating the most shit, low key.
I always do shit. That's been through
He
skating
said, I eat shit in the morning.
all day, every day.
I eat a bowl of shit before I start my day.
Hey, shotgun time, boys.
Dude, look at these trees right here. Chris, what up? New trail right now. Never been on. Dude, look, you could go through the fucking trees. Dude, I was just saying that. It's gonna be great. Ooh, I wanna hit the tree. The new board's riding sick. Ryan, look at your board.
Like it's. How you feel about that? Ready, bro? You ready?
Do you hear the voices in my head calling for something to know? Slow down, love, it's too bright out there, out there. Hold on, love, you're walking thin air, thin air. Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it. Now if there's something I left out, oh I'm in my head, come and find me. Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it. Now if there's something I left out, oh I'm in my head, come and find me. All this time I waited on a future that you never did see. And despite all the love I gave, you wanted something I can't be. Slow down, love, it's too bright out there, out there. Hold on, love, you're walking thin air, thin air. Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it. Now if there's something I left out, oh I'm in my head, come and find me. Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it.
Yeah! Right when I thought you had it. What happened with Aaron?
He went the wrong way.
Did he have to unstrap?
Yeah. It's finna be easy peasy.
Slant it just a little bit so you could get down a little more. There you go. That's all you need right there is just those heels. Ah! There you go. There you go.
What happened? Aaron!
Should be a smooth ride down like that. Time. Let's go. There you go, Brian. Yeah, you got that shit. Oh, fuck. Almost.
No calling friends, you not seeing me. Yeah, work. No, she cannot keep her head on my pants. She said it, they be like elephants. Teacher just called, they all the 10. I fucking her and all her friends. I spend a check, get it right back. Spurgeon and sex, I get it back. I spurge on my partners, I get it right back. I told him, where you home? Paris on me, I'ma lay down. I put a string, no calling friends, you not seeing me. Yeah.